How to change country on Western Union. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your country on Western Union. Western Union is a global leader in cross-border, cross-currency money movement and payments. Here's how you can change your country on Western Union. First of all, you'll have to open any web browser of your choice on your device, and at the address bar type westernunion.com. Make sure you enter the correct keyword here. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Where at the top, you'll find this login button. Click on this login button and now log into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged into your account, you will reach to this page. Here at the top, you'll find these three horizontal lines. Click on those three horizontal lines to access the menu. And from the menu that appears, click on this settings option. Once you tap on settings, you will be redirected to a new page from where you can now change your country. Here scroll down until you find this country option. You can see currently is set to United States. Now to change this country, you will have to tap on this country selected and you will find the variety of country here. Scroll up and down to find the one that you are looking for. Once you find the one you are looking for, click on it and a dialog box will appear asking you if you are really sure to change your country. Go ahead and click on this yes button right here to change it. Once you click on it, you will be logged back from your account. So in this way you can change your country on Western Union. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.